Hold on a second, I gotta watch my hands.
Yeah, just hold it.
Say hi, Lori. Say hi, Vivi. She's waving. She's waving. Or swimming. I don't know what she's doing. Oh my goodness. It's taking a video, Lori.
Oh.
Yeah.
She's got a book.
Which shoulder are you gonna put her on?
Me? Yeah, go on, you can do it.
Just turn it right there, she'll be fine. Just hold her head a little bit. Turn her around. Yeah. She's very sweet like that.
Lift it like that?
Yeah.
Bit more pressure. I think it's a little bit lower down, Brent. Is that about right?
Probably a little lower down.
Right here?
Yeah. But you'll have to